Alright, I wasn't gonna videotape this, but we'll go ahead and let you know that I didn't diagnose this. Another technician has come and diagnosed it as being the XY shifter control on this T680 Kenworth. I think it's a 2017. But yeah, I work with the company a lot, and I help them out whenever I can. But let me see if I can get over here and show you all this. So I don't know if you'll be able to see it here, but if you zoom in right there, basically it's on top of the transmission. It's very hard to get to from underneath. So basically what you got to do is tear the interior out from under it. I mean from the inside, tear the interior out of the inside. So kind of already started on it. Basically you're gonna have to pull the little covers off right here. Pull them out from there, and there's actually an access hole right there. Of course, we're gonna have to remove the seats, I do believe. I don't think you're gonna be able to do it without removing the seats. This should be a good video to help some do-it-yourself type of guy. Oh, tip for the day. Another payday. Right there she is. Alright, so you can see these little inserts, they rusted up. Ended up drilling the tops off of them. I'm gonna get them out here in a little bit, but this right here is what we're looking at replacing right here. And there's 4 bolts, one here, one there, and one there. And I took all the wiring harness loose, cut all that out. You gotta cut a little bit of this out, but you do. I took the passenger seat out, which this is a sleeper, but I took the passenger seat out and got that out, and we're about to pop it loose, and we'll continue on. So just about forgot to tell y'all, but the motor plugs, the actual motor plugs, one's there and one's right up under here. One's blue. The one that's blue is right up under here. To make sure you plug them back into the correct spot. There's also a plug there, a plug there, and I believe that's it. Make sure you plug them all back up. As you can see, the new one's in. Actually, I almost forgot to film. It's done been test drove, and that was the problem. So everything's worked out great. There is a sequence to basically calibrating it. You should get it with the instructions. You should get instructions with the new part, but pretty much everything else just reverse, you know, from where I was telling you took it out. We torqued that bolt, we torqued it back down. I can't remember the exact specs on the torque right now, but she's all back in and she's running.